Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to enable and how to disable dynamic button function in the Realme 14x phone and how to customize it. So first, settings. Next in settings, we are looking for accessibility and convenience menu. Then we need to scroll all the way down and here we have dynamic button. So when we open this option here, at the top we have explanation, what does it do, how does it work, and here is the dynamic button switch. So when we enable it, now we have a few more options that we can customize. For example, as you can see, double tap power button, double press power button, etc, etc, and we can also customize these options a little bit more, and to disable it, simply turn it off by tapping the same switch. And that's all. Goodbye.